I'll let you know how this feels on my butt later. Hey guys! I don't know why I'm holding these scissors. I decided to do an on-the-whim video of me opening my Grove order. I've got this box and I've got another box. And I wanted to open this with you guys because I got something really cool that I want to show you. Oh, this is so heavy. This is a huge box. So, one of the things that I ordered this time, it was advertised to me, it is their new paper products made from bamboo and sugarcane and not trees. And I thought this was so cool, and I wanted to open up the paper products and show them to you guys. So, I'll move this. So this is the paper products. This is made from bamboo. I'm just going to read you what the back of the paper says, or the package says. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 plus years to grow. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. No pesticides. There's also sugar cane in this product. This variety of bamboo is not a source of food for panda bears. So I just think this is really cool. It's called Seedling by Grove, and for every 50 rolls purchased, 1 tree is planted. Now, I've heard mixed reviews about like how people like how this feels. So, okay, these are paper towels that I have here. I'm gonna open this up and feel this. It feels exactly like a paper towel. Does it feel any, it maybe feels a little bit thinner, but it feels exactly like a paper towel. So that's the paper towel. I'll show you what the package looks like up close. So what I ordered for them was a month's supply of paper products for two people, I think. So it should be enough for me and Sam. This is what the package looks like for the paper towels. And then they also send you tissues. So let's feel that out. Feels like a tissue. This is a little bit, maybe harder. No, I mean, it doesn't feel like it has like lotion in it, which I don't like anyway. I hate when my tissues feel slimy, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna blow my nose. Sam, you wanna come blow your nose and test out these tissues? It smells really good. I know I just looked at my boogers. It's okay. Here. You gotta bend down so they can see you. No! I don't know why he sticks his one finger up his other nose. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's a little rough.
It's a little rough?
It's a little rough.
Make sure you're looking good. This is made from bamboo and sugarcane.
Oh wow.
You care? We're saving the environment here. Okay, let's see what else. So I have 2 boxes of tissues, and then a whole thing of napkins. Man, I won't go through this many napkins in a month. I could probably use more paper towels. So this is 250 1-ply sheets per pack, and it's 230 square feet total. That's what this looks like. I just think this is so cool. Okay, so this is the toilet paper. Ultra soft bath tissue. So let's see what this feels like. This is the one I had got mixed reviews about when I read about it. So it's not like the most expensive Lush toilet paper you're gonna find like at the store. It's a little bit thin, but guys, it's just like normal toilet paper. Like, I'll let you know how this feels on my butt later. It may be a little bit harder, but I think it's great. I mean, unless you've got like anus issues that you need like cushion for your tush, they should be fine. What are you laughing at? So that's one pack of toilet paper, and then, so this is the, so this is supposed to be enough for 2 people. This smells really good. Oh, it's from the dryer sheets. So yeah, guys, definitely try this out. It was not expensive. In my opinion, it was not expensive. You can get this on Grove's website. Use my code. I'm gonna put the code down below. If you use my code, you'll get, Mrs. Meyers set. I think you can choose whatever scent you want. I think that's what you get. I'm pretty sure that's what you get. Don't go on the Grove Collaborative website and order a product without using my code below, because you will get free stuff. Okay, so Seedling by Grove. Check it out. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, look. I also got a little tissue pack. So this comes with 8 little personal tissue sets. Yeah, and each little thing comes with 12 tissues. So that's really cool. Okay. So this is funny. I got this because I was like 80 cents away from getting, I got this because I was 80 cents away from getting a free like gift with my purchase. And this was the cheapest thing I could find. So this is like Bon Ami, like cleans like surfaces and stuff. I'm gonna try it, but I definitely only bought this because I needed to reach a certain dollar amount, and I was like 80 cents off, and this was like $1.50 or something. So that's why I got that. I also got needed some laundry detergent. I love how they put that. They tape the top and they put that in a bag. But this time I got ginger mango. Last time I've been using beach sage, which I love, but that's gonna smell really good in the when I love how it makes my house smell. It makes my laundry smell good, but I care a lot more about how it makes my house smell. And then I also got dryer sheets. Yeah, so I got those 2 things. That's from Method. And then I got more glass cleaner. I literally order this every single time I order from Grove. This is the glass cleaner concentrate. It's just a little tube. This is my favorite glass cleaner. It's amazing. And it smells amazing. You take this tube and you squirt it into like a glass squirt bottle with water and shake it up. Oops. It's amazing. And I don't have it run out of it yet, but I just don't want to run out of it, so that's why I bought another one. And then I also got the Calcarea Sea Salt Neroli countertop surface spray. Now, here's the thing about this. This stuff is expensive. Like, way more expensive than I would have paid for countertop spray, but like, I had to get it one time. Now, it's not like it's not $50. I think it was like $12, but that's a lot, right, for a countertop spray? So I had to get it because I needed to see what it smelled like, to see what all the fuss was about. So this is Sea Salt Neroli. I'm gonna smell it. Okay. Can you give me a rag from the closet behind you? So, it smells good. But like, Oh, I've got a candle burning. I'm never gonna be able to smell this. Okay. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells fancy. I don't even know if that's like possible, but it smells fancy. I really like this. Maybe I would use this like right before people come over, or like in the bathroom that guests are gonna use. This smells really good. At first I didn't know if I liked it. I'm just gonna keep smelling it. It just reminds me of like how a bathroom smells at a hotel. Yeah, I'm down. Aromatherapeutic housekeeping. Yeah, definitely try this out. I would definitely say this is like something I would use sparingly because it's, I keep saying $12. I don't know how much that is, but I feel like it was like that. Maybe 15, I'm not sure. But Caldrea, sea salt neroli. I like it. I like it. And then the last thing in this box is this bamboo cutting board. You see this, Boo? This
Nice.
is my free gift.
Oh, that's cool. That's gonna be fun.
I wanted to do this and drink a glass of wine, but we don't have any wine. Seems crazy. Maybe I'll do that next time. Next time I open a box, I'll have a glass of wine with you guys. You can sit down and have a glass of wine with me. So yeah, this is like the little cutting board. This was my free gift. It says Grove Collaborative. It's like etched in the corner. Yeah, so I got, in this order, I got free shipping. I think I got something for free. And then because I ordered a certain amount, I also got this for free. And I think the gift changes like each month or something. All right, so that was the one box. And then I'm excited about this other box. This box is gonna be a first for me. So I pre-ordered this. And then it was ready to ship. It was close enough to me getting my last shipment. So I'm gonna put it behind here so you can't see it. Well, you'll already see it because I'll probably use it in the thumbnail. Okay, so that makes sense. So I noticed that I got another shipment from Grove yesterday and I was like, what in the world is it for? Because I already got everything. But I'm missing the hand soap from this, so that must be what it is. So this is the Mrs. Meyers Mum scent. I feel like it's elusive. Because it's not like at Target. So I got this on Grove's website, obviously. I had never smelled this before. So I'm gonna smell it right now and let you guys know. I'm gonna smell Mum. By Mrs. Meyers. Okay. It reminds me of something. I love it. It's sweet. And like flowery, but it's not warm and it's not springy. This is awesome. I'm so glad that they have this because I used the pumpkin the other day to clean. If you saw in my Decorate With Me for Fall video, I used it to clean like everything. And I like it, but it's a lot more vanilla than like it, when you smell it out of the bottle, you can't smell the vanilla like you can smell it when you use it. I still love it, but I don't like it as much because of that vanilla smell. I really liked apple cider, and they're both very fall-ish. And this one is fallish, but it's still sweet. I mean, maybe what it is that I'm smelling is mum. I really like this. Why don't they sell this at Target? Do they think no one's gonna buy this? Like, it doesn't make any sense. I wonder if Target will have this like once everything's out in season. I really like this. Definitely don't hesitate. If you like peony, and I feel like this is a mixture of like peony and bluebell. If you've ever smelled like those two things, my friend Melissa's gonna die because those are like her two favorite scents. Yeah, definitely if you're on the fence about ordering this, definitely order it. I love these. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I love making these videos. I love all of you guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this before and you like it, or if you've tried the Caldrea and you think it's worth it. That would be interesting for me to know if you guys think this is worth it. And let me know what you think about the Seedling paper products. If you think it's cool that they're bamboo and sugarcane. I think it's super cool. I'm not like a super like, let's save the planet. Like, I would never be like, no, don't save the planet. But I just definitely think it's cool that I'm not killing trees every time I wet my butt. So let me know down in the comments below what kind of video you want to see next. Let me know what kind of videos you like that I've done. Just let me know what you guys are loving watching, because that really helps me out. And I know there are some of you out there that lurk and you just watch but you don't comment. So go ahead and comment down below. Even if you're a lurker, nothing bad's gonna happen. I'd love to hear from all of you. I hope you guys are getting ready for fall. I hope you guys are decorating early, and I hope you're not ashamed of it. Don't forget to use my code for Grove and get those free products. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.